पर कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है। मैं कैसे पेपर लिखूंगा, कैसे अच्छा नंबर लाऊंगा, कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है। ये क्या हो रहा है भाई मेरे साथ? कोई मेरी मदद करो।
चल चल, क्या करना है, चल। Hello everyone, I hope you are learning well. Now that the D-Day is just 12 days away, the anxiety or the stress to not performing well could be at its peak. Trust me, everyone, including you, me, and the students who are preparing right now, are feeling the same stress. To reduce the same and to increase your probability to cracking the examination, this is the video you should look at. Let's talk about the common problems that students have been facing right now. They have done the basics, but their mock scores are now at a stagnant stage. They are not that's that plateau, and they're not able to improve that score. And the common problems that each of these students are facing is, first is they know the concept, but in the test taker or in the test taking environment, they are not able to perform. For example, right now this would be happening with you also. जब आपने mock लिखा है तो मॉक के अंदर आपको कुछ क्लिक नहीं हो रहा है। जैसे आप मॉक लेके एनालिसिस के लिए बैठते हो, आपको सब कुछ क्लिक होने लगता है। द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम दैट यू वुड बी फेसिंग इज कि आपने सारी चीज़ों के कंसेप्ट कर रखे थे, बहुत पहले ही कर रखे हैं, बट जब उस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन को आप रीड कर रहे हो, आपको याद ही नहीं आया ओके इसके अंदर ये फॉर्मूला भी लग सकता था, वो कंसेप्ट याद ही नहीं आ रहा है। और तीसरा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है कि आप वैल्यूज अच्छे से डालना भूल गए, आपने सॉल्व कर लिया बट एक वैल्यू गलत डाल दिया, और दैट इज कॉल्ड सिली एरर्स, राइट। तो टू सॉल्व ऑल द थ्री प्रॉब्लम्स, आई ट्राई टू लुक और डिग डीपर इनटू व्हाई दीस प्रॉब्लम्स आर हैपनिंग। द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट, कि हम कर रहे हैं टेस्ट टेकिंग एनवायरनमेंट में परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे। द सॉल्यूशन टू दैट प्रॉब्लम इज, फर्स्टली यू नीड टू इंक्रीज योर टेस्ट टेकिंग environment, that is write as many mocks as possible. Second problem being lack of revision. You haven't gone through any formulas. I know that 90% of the students just assume that they know everything that they have studied till now. You need a proper revision plan. You need to go through the concept that you've done earlier. The third problem is, I think that silly error part is difficult to reduce, but the only solution to that is you increase your test taking ability, you increase your practice ability. What I mean is, you solve many questions as much as possible, you understand the different ways of solving the sum, so that you reduce that long processes, try to come up to the answer in a smarter, in a much more efficient manner. Hence the silly errors reduces manually. Hence that's the solution, right? To solve these problems, it's easy for me to recommend, but execution is a little difficult given that the number of days are very less in hand. And that's when we decided to launch the marathon batch, because in the marathon batch I try to address all these three problems. Gradually I solve the problems one by one, and hence your mock score start to increase. So before even talking about the marathon batch, I also want to share that on 24th of April we are also launching our all India mock. This all India mock will help you gauge the performance with respect to your peers. Make sure that you attempt this mock. If you don't attempt this mock, my basic assumption would be that you haven't done your basics. That's the next part of the marathon batch. The marathon batch is only for the people who have done their basics, who know a particular chapter from right and left, but at least at a term of formula level, at identity level. They need extra practice. So if you are someone who hasn't done the basics, you can close the video, and this video is not meant for you. But if you are someone who have done the basics of every chapter that we're gonna, that is there in the IPMAT syllabus, we can help you a little further or increase your probability to crack the examination. So let's talk about the structure of the marathon batch. My agenda or the aim in the marathon batch is, as I talked about earlier, right, to improve your revision part. You have done so many things. The information is so enormous, but you haven't done, when was the last time you actually looked at the formula of number of relations or number of functions? So why don't we actually decide to solve the set of questions from each module, diverse languages which require different formulas, so that when you sit with me, you solve with me, you actually, oh okay, iske andar ye formula lagne wala tha. The another benefit of it is, now that I am solving it with you, I'm going to also talk about, okay, इस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला के अलावा ये 4 और फॉर्मूलास आपको याद रखने चाहिए, क्योंकि इस तरह की भी लैंग्वेज आ सकती है, क्योंकि इस तरह का भी चीज़ें आ सकता है. So that's what going to happen in each marathon class that we're going to conduct. There will be a set of 100 questions of each of the modules. There will be 5 marathon just basing on the modules. There will be 2 more QA marathons just on the miscellaneous question, so that we just solve different types of questions of all QA part. So 7 QA marathons for IPMAT Indore. There will be 5 VA marathons for IPMAT Indore for the next, from 28th till 3rd of May. As I mentioned earlier, I will not be repeating any solution more than twice. Why is that so? The major problem that I found in accelerated batch was a lot of students are coming up without basics being done. They haven't done, and completely natural for them to ask me to repeat it. And then that's what happens. I repeat a particular concept once, twice, or thrice. I want to actually reduce that repetition so that the time can be utilized efficiently, and I can maximize the number of question solving. So the maximum that I can repeat a particular question would be twice. The maximum I'll repeat a particular how that formula is being applied is twice. You will have the option to rewind to watch these live classes. You will be having the option to actually rewind me in the live module itself while you're watching it live, right? So use that option, but I wouldn't be repeating a particular concept more than once or twice. That is the basic expectations, so that if you have only done basics, then only this batch makes sense for you, or it doesn't make sense for you. The aim, as you are aware of, we solve 100 and 120 questions in each of the classes of arithmetic, algebra, marathon, or all the 5 modules that I talked about, then QA marathons. The goal is that when you are doing self-prep, right? So if I give you a sheet of 100 questions right now, there will be a lot of to and fro happening. What I mean by to and fro is when you solve a question, you'll be having a doubt, and then again you'll go and check somewhere else. Then again you'll talk to some people. That to and fro reduces when you're in the live class itself. You're looking at the faculty itself solving it. That is what the benefit of attending these live classes would be. That you are actually getting exposed to different kind of languages while practicing the sum. The third major part I talked about right earlier, that is of efficiency. So in a particular question, I'll also talk about different angles I'm solving a question. There would be this approach, there would be this XYZ approach. These approaches allows you to solve a question much faster. As I mentioned earlier, IPMAT is more about not just accuracy, it's also about how you can use your time efficiently. You have to become accurate as well as reduce the time taken to solve per question. So that is also what you get in these marathon classes. That's it. I think that's the major benefits or the USP of marathon classes are. But let me elaborate the entire structure for you. You may assume that okay, भैया सिर्फ यही मैराथन होगी क्या? नहीं. IPMAT इंदौर जैसे ही खत्म होता है, इन 7 QA मैराथन्स और 5 VA मैराथन्स के बाद आपके पास IPMAT रोहतक की मैराथन्स भी कंडक्ट करी जाएगी. QA मैराथन्स ऑफ इंदौर विल बी टेकन बाय मी. BA मैराथन्स अगेन बाय हार्दिक सर. फिर IPMAT रोहतक की जो मैराथन्स की मैं बात कर रहा था, आफ्टर 4th of May, from 5th to 8th or 9th May, again we'll have a continuous marathon classes for IPMAT Rohtak, where we'll have 2 QA marathons, 2 LR marathons, again conducted by Saksham sir, 4 VA marathons by Hardik sir, and 2 QA marathons by Ravi sir. That is the time in the time span of from 5th of May to 8th of May. That's not it. After IPMAT Rohtak gets over, we'll also conduct marathon classes for JIPMAT as well. In JIPMAT also, there is a particular, that examination is being conducted on June 5. So your examination preparation will be also done with the help of us, where we'll also again sit and solve with hundreds of questions for JIPMAT as well. You will have the access of all the conceptual lectures, everything that is there on the portal in this batch also. So, and the access to the batch will be till 31st of July. Second stage, which is interview preparation, there also will help you. You'll have the access of doubts group, you'll have the access of personal mentorship from our mentors, so that will increase the probability of your cracking the examination. That's it, I guess, from my end. Make sure that you attempt the All India mock. Check out the if you are interested in the batch, you can book a free counseling session on our website or directly buy it from the link below. And that's it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Take care.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and AceIPM. Thank you.